I'm starving. When can I eat? That's basically what you're thinking while you're doing intermittent fasting. Waiting is the hardest part. I'm James and I'm doing intermittent fasting. Today is day 5 of my journey and I have now lost 6 pounds. Pretty excited about that. Hopefully it doesn't fluctuate too much day to day like it did yesterday, but I'm on the right track, so I'm pretty pumped up about that. I've decided to change my fast to, instead of starting at 7 p.m. and going to 1, I'm going to start at 7 p.m. and go to 2. So I'm going to add 1 extra hour to my fast every day. Hopefully this will give me a little bit better results. I tried that today and it worked out really well for me. What do you think? Have you done intermittent fasting? Are you doing a 5-hour fast, a 5-hour eat rather, or 6 hours? What are you doing? Let me know in the comments. Besides my morning coffee and water throughout the day, I had avocado toast for lunch. Then at dinner time, I had some chicken and mixed vegetables and a black bean sauce. Do you think I ate the egg roll? Let me know in the comments down below. So like I was saying earlier, waiting for the food, that's really the hard part, is controlling those cravings. I really love food and I want to be eating throughout the day, but controlling that craving and just waiting until you get to eat, that's really the hardest part for me right now. Then when I do eat, I'm trying to make sure I'm eating something a little bit healthier now. And portion control, because it's about caloric intake, right? I don't want to be just eating and pigging out once I'm allowed to eat. I want to eat and then eat healthier and eat a little bit less so that the fast is really doing its job. Also, what you eat when you break the fast is important, and that's something I need to work on. If you have any tips on that, comment your comments in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow.